In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Maybank online banking. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Maybank website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before entering any login information. This is a good habit for online banking and helps keep your account secure. When you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will open the available online banking login choices. At this point, you'll see that there are two ways to log in, depending on the type of account you use. The first option is retail internet banking, and the second is corporate internet banking. Choosing the right one is important because each option takes you to a different login portal. If you're logging in as a personal banking user, click on Maybank 2U. On the Maybank 2U login page, enter your username and then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your security image and phrase. This is an extra security step to help you verify that the page is legitimate. Once you've confirmed those details, type in your password to continue. Make sure you enter your credentials carefully, especially if your password is case sensitive. If instead you need to access a business or company account, choose Maybank 2E. This will take you to the corporate internet banking login page. Here, start by entering your corporate ID in the appropriate field. Next, type in your user ID. After that, enter your password. Once those details are filled in, select your country from the drop-down menu. Be sure to choose the correct country associated with your corporate banking access, since this can affect how your login is processed. After reviewing all the information you entered, click the login button to access your account. A couple of quick tips before you sign in. Always double check your login details if something doesn't work on the first try, and avoid logging in on public or shared devices whenever possible. If you are using your own computer, it can also help to keep your browser updated for better compatibility and security. That's all it takes to log into Maybank online banking. Whether you're using Maybank 2 for personal banking or Maybank 2E for corporate banking, follow the option that matches your account type, enter your details carefully, and you should be able to access your account smoothly.